Hi all. In this video we are going to see the motor characteristics and power factor. In the last video we have seen various types of motors in short explanation. Now we are going to see some motor characteristics, that is motor characteristics. In general there are many types of characteristics are available for different types of motors, that is like AC motors, DC motors, and in that various different subcategories of motors are available. Everything has different types of characteristics and different comparison with the parameters. That is, for example, the motor will have characteristics between armature current and speed, and torque versus speed, and torque versus current. Likewise, there are many characteristics are available, and we can see such characteristics and such characteristics for each motors, and which is useful for selecting a motor for purchase. That is here it is mentioned that speed, that is speed of the motor is the number of revolution in the given frame, that is which is typically represented in RPM. That is, the speed is generally represented in RPM or RPS. Next one, the speed of an AC motor depends on the frequency of the input power and the number of poles. In general, that is, the speed of any motor, that is particularly AC motor, depends upon the frequency, that is input frequency. Input frequency, that is 50 Hz of the input power, and the number of poles, that is the poles of the motor. The synchronous speed in RPM is given by the following equation. That is, any motor, that is AC motor, the synchronous speed is represented in RPM, which is given by 120 F by P. That is where F is the frequency and P is the number of poles. The actual speed with which the motor operates will be less than the synchronous speed. That is, the actual speed of the motor, that is the rotor speed which is operates, will be less than the synchronous speed. The difference between synchronous and the full load speed is called slip, and it is measured in percentage. That is, generally in the question arises, that is what is slip, that is which is expressed in percentage, and which is calculated by subtracting full load speed by synchronous speed. That is, synchronous speed minus full load speed will get slip speed. And next we will see what is power factor. That is, the power factor in a motor, that is, as the load of the motor decreases, that is comes down or reduces, the magnitude of the current, that is the active current, reduces. However, there is no corresponding reduction in the magnetizing current, which is proportional to the supply voltage, with the result that the motor power factor reduces with the reduction in applied voltage. That is, the magnetizing current, this does not cause any corresponding reduction in the magnetizing current. The only cause is the active current will get reduces. Next, the induction motors, especially those operating below their rated capacity, are the main reason for low power factor in electric systems. That is, the low power factor, will leads to efficiency, that is will affect the efficiency, that is will reduces the efficiency of the system. This is the major cause in an electric system. This is about the power factor and the motor characteristics. That is, in general characteristics of a motor, considering speed and power factor. That is, what is the power factor? High power factor and low power factor will cause the motor to operate in high efficiency or low efficiency. And the next video will contain the motor selection. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel.